Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra with TSMC manufactured chips will fix two things: performance and better life. The Snapdragon 8 General 2 chip will make sure the Galaxy S23 Ultra will come closer to iPhones in giving better battery life, if not beat them. The unofficial renders have given us a look at the possible design of the Samsung Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus. They show phones that look a lot like their predecessors with flat screen, a punch-hole camera in the same position and a metal frame. They also, according to the same source, have identical screen sizes and similar dimensions. However, as you've probably noticed, they don't have a camera block, with the lenses instead jutting out individually like on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. This renders and claims come from OnLeaks to has an excellent track record. As for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, the source has suggested this might have a screen that curves all four sides, rather than just two sides, but they don't sound all sure of this. In fact, not much might be changing on the Galaxy S23 Ultra at all, with this source more recently saying that it will have dimensions which are almost identical to those of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. They also say that just like its predecessor, it will have a 6.8-inch 1440 by 3088 screen. All the Galaxy S23 lineup will get this world's fastest piece of hardware. You see, the S23 Ultra is guaranteed to have a 200-megapixel camera sensor, and Ice Universe is giving more light on how it's going to perform in the real world. He's saying the S23 Ultra camera's full well capacity will not be aggressive to 10,000E, RMS, RTN and FPN are significantly optimized. He's saying the camera post-processing won't be as aggressive as the S22 Ultra, which means Samsung is going for a more natural look instead of the oversaturated and overprocessed look now we have on current Samsung flagships. He also mentioned that Samsung has improved night photography by quite a margin. According to Korean news, Samsung is aiming to ship 270 million smartphones for 2023, and it's a 10 million increase from the 260 million target that is set for this current 2022 year. This is a pretty good realistic goal that Samsung can actually achieve. Considering how the smartphone market is these days, it's very hard to achieve this number considering how Samsung had unsold smartphones for the 2022. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.